Hey, my name is Mike Harper from Harper Explores. Thanks for coming to my channel. Today we are going through the KSWISS Donavan. So this is the KSWISS Donavan. You notice on all my boxes I've taken the time to take a picture of the shoe, stick it on my box, because I've got so many boxes of shoes, it just makes it really easy for me to get to mine. But if you didn't stop the video, basically this is a medium 12 or a 46 in European. This is model 05633-401M, and it's made in Vietnam. The Donavan WVN, which is woven, okay, and it's a men's low navy white. So I have 3 different color variations of this Donavan. So let's get right into the shoe. All right. So these are actually a really neat shoe. This is kind of a specific colorway that was only available from Journey. And it's either this one or the burgundy one, so I have a burgundy as well. But basically what this is a woven, kind of like a carbon fiber look, and it's a thick woven, so it's really breathable. Nice, great shoe for the summer. What I really like about them is the red soles. And the Donavan is actually one of my favorite shoes to wear pretty much with jeans or regular shorts or whatever. What I really like about the Donavan is not only are they super comfortable, but they're a great shoe that has a bunch of different colorways. Super, super inexpensive. So the time I'm shooting this video, these are normally $79, on sale for $49.99, and then I saw them on Journey's website right after Christmas for $29.99. So they might be on their way out. Might be a great shoe for you to pick up on a discount. They're on KSWISS's website right now, but only a couple of color variations that are available that are $60 each. I'm kind of going to go over them pretty quickly, but what I like about the tongue is also woven with the K-Swiss shield on the front, and there's no big, K-Swiss across the back. A lot of K-Swiss shoes have a big K-Swiss logo on the back side, which on some they look awesome. There is a shield right here on this little toe pull, now, or the heel pull. I'm not a big shoe expert. I don't claim to be a shoe expert. I just like K-Swiss shoes. What's really nice about that is I'm not objective. K-Swiss doesn't send me any of this stuff. I pay for everything right out of my own pocket. I really enjoy the shoes so much that I pay for them. So, hey, I will tell you that if you're looking to buy a shoe that's comparable to this, like a skate shoe or maybe something that's just more of a casual shoe, you're looking in the $60 to $80 range. Like I said, these are on sale right now. They're normally $60. You can get them at Journeys for $29.99. So those are my Donavans in the navy blue woven. This is going to be the same exact shoe in a different colorway. This is the Donavan. All right, so inside this box, now I wear all these shoes, so I'm a true believer in the fact if you're going to buy shoes, you are going to wear them. These are the Donavan in the burgundy, I think is the color. This is a size 12 in the Merlot, so it's a very special color of red. So this is the Donavan in the Merlot. You might be seeing this on your screen more of a bright red, but it's a darker red color. So same thing with this shoe, has the shield on the front, the Kswiss shield on the back, on the heel pull. What I really like about these is these have a great midsole, so they have a really cool design. I like shoes that pretty much stay flat. I typically keep the paper in the shoe and in the box when I store them so that they stay flat. The other thing is these have a blue sole. So I don't know if you saw the other ones. The blue ones had a red sole, the red ones have a blue sole. Pretty cool stuff. So that is the Donavan woven in size 12 in a burgundy Merlot color specifically. This is my last pair of Donavans. These are well worn. This is called Stingray is the color. It's a gray color. These were on sale for $39. You can tell these aren't clean, so they have a little bit of road love on them. So these are the Stingray, and it's a really nice lighter gray color. It's not like a dark gray where you can't tell if it's black or gray or it gets lost. What I like about these two is they have like a light green sole. So a cool looking color for a colorway for this shoe. One of my favorite things about the Donavan is just the feel, the comfort. It's got a nice softer heel around the outside, and then they have a really good pad on the inside. So great shoe, like them a lot. You know, I'm not one to go over every little detail. If you do get into some like light mud or even the sand at the beach, these little honeycombs in here get caught up, so you might want to consider that. Maybe you get stuff stuck in them. So anyway, that is the Donavan in the Stingray and White. So I got kind of a special Donavan, and it's not truly a Donavan because it is a shoe that was based on the Donavan. These are available only one place right now, and that is at Shoe Palace. This is the Shoe Palace 25th anniversary Gary Vee collaboration. So the Gary Vee collaborations are pretty special because they're always limited quantity. Well, not always, but this particular one's a very limited quantity. This particular size is sold out right now. They've been selling out pretty quick, and probably by the time you watch this video, you're gonna have to buy them on eBay or on StockX. What I really like about this is Gary's really meticulous about the things that that happen with his shoes. Great guy. He kind of goes through and makes sure that, you know, they has the foil printing. So I'm a printer, so I kind of get this stuff. I really like it a lot. But the gold foil printing. Also, you'll notice on the inside of the box it says "Follow Your Passion," and that's really neat. And this is the Shoe Palace SP. It says Shoe Palace SP Shoe Palace 93. So 1993 was the year that Shoe Palace was out there. So how many years since 1993? I don't know. So here's the thing. This is a medium 1246. This is the Gary Vee 004, which is, you know, his shoes are 001, 002, 003, 004. And there are actually some shoes out there that are the Crushing It, that are a special shoe that very limited. I think there's only 600 of those made. I think maybe even less, there's like 400 of them made. But that aside, still have the foil, the KSWISS logo, the Gary Vee, and the X there. Both of these all this is foil printed. And then on this side of the box, you've got Passion, right? And this side you've got the Conquer. So that's Conquer on that side. And on the back, just kind of a quick little, you know, kswiss.com thing. So inside the box has a black and red paper on them. And what's really cool about this shoe is it very much looks like a Donavan. It's not necessarily a Donavan, mostly because you notice that the stripes on the side of the shoe are not like leather stripes on there. They're just, you know, stitched into this really supple, soft, antique leather. So it's got a Donavan upper. This has been changed. You'll notice that the mid is very similar to the Donavan. The inside colors are all different. So you'll notice there's the green and the red, and then you've got the SP93 tag on the back, and then you have the Gary Vee logo on the back, and then you have the Kswiss Gary Vee logo on the front here. Let me show you something else too, which is really cool. Another thing about the Donavans, has the same Donavan sole in red that we saw in the blue woven Donavan shoe. Okay, so let's pull out the second shoe out here. So you'll notice this antique white is kind of very much like a Gucci look. You know, it's got kind of an antique beige look, and then you've got this little tab down here at the bottom which is red. I think that's a really cool accent. It really makes things look really neat. This has the tag here, the Ortholite, which is the type of insole on the inside. Also on the insole also is printed Passion on one side and then Optimism on the other. So on the inside there, see if you can see that. And on the inside of this one here, the Passion. Pretty cool, neat stuff. I have been, I've worn a set of these. Now this is not a set that I have worn, this is a brand new pair, but I do have a pair that I did wear to the Gary Vee meetup that he did with these shoes for the unveiling at Shoe Palace's 25th anniversary, which is why this is called the SP25. So 1993, I guess that's 25 years, right? So the SP93, that would be 1993 would be the year that they started. And so 25 years later, here we are with the Shoe Palace. Also on this red section right here, it says Shoe Palace, Shoe Palace, Shoe Palace. So it's like it goes across the middle. It's just Shoe Palace right in the middle, and it, you know, kind of goes off onto both sides on the tongue. This is also like a suede material. So this bracket right here is like a suede material. So these are available at this point today at Shoe Palace's website. It looks like they're getting really close to running out of them. Let's take a look and see how much they're going for. KSWISS. It looks like the 11.5s and the 12s they are completely out of, and it looks like a few sizes they do have and other ones you don't. So you're going to want to check online when you watch this video to see how many of these are actually available. They are $99.99 with like $7 or $8 in shipping. I remember when I ordered these the day that they came online. They came online at like 9 o'clock in the morning. I ordered a pair and I had them the next day. Shoe Palace is awesome. Huge company. I was surprised. Joe said he had like over 2,000 employees. Joe and his 3 brothers are the owners of Shoe Palace. Great family business. And like Gary said during at that event, you know, how do you run a business with 3 brothers and keep it going? And they've been thriving for many years, obviously for 25 years. Hope you get at least 25 more Shoe Palace. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please like, press that bell, and follow me. And you know, this is new for me. I'm just trying out this YouTube thing, and I hope you guys like what I'm putting together. If you want more videos, there's more K-Swiss shoes that you want to see. I got all kinds of stuff coming up right now. I've got the SI18s. I've got the SI18 that's just coming out for 2019, the 2018. I also have the Fusion, the SI Fusion leather, and then the standard SI Fusion. So I've got quite a bit of stuff coming up in my next few videos. I'm also going to be doing a Gary Vee Clouds and Dirt leather custom shoe I'm going to be building just so that you guys can see what it would look like if that same shoe was made in leather. Hey, thanks very much for watching the show, and hope to hear from you soon. Remember, like and crush that bell so you get notifications next time I post a video. Thanks much. Bye-bye.